Hey guys, this is my St. Patrick's Day dinner. Here I have potatoes Colcannon. They are made with mashed potatoes, butter, cashew cream, and then you blanch some kale and some leeks, and you puree them in the blender, and you mix them with the potatoes, and you also puree some spring onion, and you save a little for the garnish. Just along with some green peas that I have seasoned with dill. And this is my lamb chop. This is not a bone, this is a stick. Kind of makes it look like there's a bone in there. You don't have to do this, and I know some people will probably not be pleased with the fact that I replicated a lamb chop with a bone sticking out, but I do this because I want people to know that if they feel like they're going to miss something like this, they can still have it. They can have the visual. People eat with their eyes first. And if you think you're going to miss something like this, you're not. And this is an Irish soda farl. It's just like soda bread, but you cut them in wedges and you cook them on the stovetop in a cast iron pan. And let me go ahead and start tasting. I already know these are good because I usually taste as I go. These are so nice. You barely even taste the kale, but you taste the leeks and the green onions, and of course they're all full of butter. I love those. I also love green peas with dill and butter. So this faux lamb came out really nice. It almost smelled like lamb while I was baking it. You basically, your technique for cooking seitan is to mix it up and bake it first. Wrap it in tin foil and bake it. And then after an hour, you simmer it in a very well seasoned broth, and that makes it tender. And then you pan sear it before you serve it. It's usually best made the day before, and then pan seared the day you're going to eat it. And this has got jackfruit in it. It's got just the vital wheat gluten, of course, but it's also got tofu, jackfruit, and a bunch of seasonings. And the jackfruit was dried. I can't get the canned, and I actually don't like the canned very much anyway. The dried jackfruit works really well to give a nice texture. And I did the technique where you either stick it in your food processor and let it go for like 8 minutes, or when I did my turkey, I burned out my food processor doing that. So I did it in my KitchenAid with the paddle attachment for 20 minutes, and that gives it that stringy, fibrous texture. And let me try this, because this is the first time I've ever made this this soda farl. It's the first time I've ever cooked a quick bread on the stovetop. Kind of like a scone, but not sweet, and there's nothing in it. Some people put like dried fruits and things in their Irish soda bread, but I wanted to stay simple. And it's really good. It's quick and easy once you get used to cooking it on the stovetop, although you can also bake it if you want to. So anyway, happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for giving me likes. All the recipes will be on my blog, linked in the description. This is a junk phone call. I'm getting tired of getting them. So I'm going to quit now. I'll see you later.